Rochelle, we've talked about all of those fun educational materials, but what about the recreation and the child that's coming up on summertime who just wants to read and enjoy under the sun?
In this video, I'm going to show how to do a couple of searches for recreational reading materials. This can include titles like Harry Potter, but also titles used as supplemental reading in the classroom, such as biographies or classic literature like The Crucible. Recreational reading materials also tend to be more affordable than textbooks for parents to buy, as they are shorter and do not have textile graphics.
Absolutely. I love this option when it comes around for like birthdays or other things. What about a gift for families?
Yeah, we're going to start at the Louis home screen. And as you can see, there are already categories. There's a fiction category, a nonfiction category, music, cookbooks, hobbies, and crafts. If you click on either the category name or the corresponding image, you would jump to the search results page and see all the results for that category. As we covered in advanced search video, you will need to narrow this list using filters on the left-hand side. For example, if we go under the hobbies and crafts, it is going to give us 157 results. And so you would need to filter to bring these down. So I am going to filter, actually, yeah, I'm going to filter. Can we start over? I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
No, this was my fault because I did not clear my search.
That's okay. No, you are fine, girl.
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
Don't be sorry. You want to start from the beginning or do you want to start from they make nice gifts?
Yeah, we can start with they make nice gifts.
Okay, perfect. I just put the time down. I don't even think I paused the recording, did I? Nope. Still
Oh,
recording. We're good.
okay.
I'll give it a second and then I will start with they make nice grit.
Okay.
See, look, grifts, gifts, who knows? Ay, ay, ay. All right. What about gifting? I mean, there's birthdays, there's holidays, all sorts of times to purchase books or have access to those.
Yes, well, if you're looking for a gift or whatever for recreational reading, if you come down, you can see that there are already some categories that you can search under, like fiction, nonfiction, music, cookbooks, and hobbies and crafts. However, if you click on either the category name or the corresponding image, you would jump to the search results page and see all the results for that category. As we covered in the advanced search video, you would need to narrow this list using the filters on the left-hand side. For example, if we go under the hobbies and crafts, okay, you get 157 results. So if I am going to look for a large print for the third grade, it'll bring me down to 2 books, which is like Build It with Boxes or Toys that I could choose from. Now I'm going to do a basic search. And the first thing that you need to do when you do another search is you need to clear the search to clear all the filters that you searched under. So I am going to type in butterfly because I know my child likes butterflies. And you can see, you can either hit enter or you could click on the search button. This gives me 681 results, which is a lot of results, and I'm going to need to narrow my search down. So I will click on the recreational reading subcategory under collections. And that gives me 23 results. So if I want to filter it down even more, I can filter my search by clicking on either Braille or large print um, under the format button. And then I can scroll down to see if there is a title I want to purchase. So let's do large print. Okay, so I get 6 results, and I can scroll down and look at the different results to see which book I want. So if I choose that I want a place for butterflies, I can click on the expand record button and get the contact information. And I can use this to either call them or email them to purchase this book. Now for another scenario, let's say that you know your child's favorite author, but cannot remember the names of the books they have already read. To do the search, the first step, of course, is to clear your search, to clear all the filters. And then you can type in the name of the author. And I'm going to use Kate DeCarmelo. Hit enter. And that gives me 131 results. I can then narrow my search by using the filters on the left side of the page. I'm going to choose large print under format, and I'm going to choose second grade. And that brings me now to 9 results. What I can also do is I can sort by title. I can do ascending title, or I can change it and do descending title. And I can just simply go down there, look at the titles of the book, decide which titles don't look familiar to me that my child might not have read before, and I can pick 1 or 2 that I want to purchase.
You've mentioned purchasing. How do parents or family members purchase a book?
To find out details about the book and the agency selling it, you just simply click on expand the record. And your child's teacher or TVI can contact the agency to obtain the book, or if this is a gift purchase, feel free to reach out yourself. So it tells you the contact information. You can also hit the view full record button, and it will also give you contact information. So let's go back to the results. And another type of search that could be useful is a book within a series. So say I want to look for the Bad Kitty series. The first thing I'm going to do is clear my search, because you want to get rid of all the filters you just used. And then I will click on the advanced search button, which is right underneath the text box, is right underneath the main search screen. And I'm going to type in Bad Kitty. And I'm going to change the field to series and program, and click on add a row. And I'm going to do Braille. In the format field. And I'm going to click on the search button. You can't hit enter for advanced search because of the there are several fields that you're searching for. And this gives me 2 results. And both of them are done by Midwestern Braille volunteers. So I could just hit expand record on one of them, and it tells me my contact information. So if I want both of the books, I can just simply contact them. Or if I just want 1 book, I can contact them to purchase that one or both books.
Rochelle, this has been amazing. And I still question, this is a whole database with a lot of information. What if I still can't find what I'm looking for or completely lost?
If you need help, you simply go to the top of your screen and click on the Ask the Librarian button. You go down and it provides you with a form that you can fill out. If you do not want to fill out the form, well, if you do fill out the form, you can just simply hit the submit button when you're finished. But if you don't want to fill out the form, it also gives you our phone number and our email address. And it also tells you that we can take phone calls between 8 to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday.
This is fabulous. And I have no doubt with gift giving, holidays, birthdays, all sorts of other things, or kids just looking for recreational reading opportunities. What a great resource for families. Thank you.